Hello, sufferers. Hello, viewer that want to suffer by watching this content. That you should not be watching right now, but okay.
Hey.
She got Cosmo after 21 hours, after 21 months. Show us the Cosmo. She got Cosmo, and she bought the wrong Cosmo before, so she bought the wrong Cosmo.
I'm leaving. I will.
And I will make a meme about it.
No, stop, please.
And the Yara video will be coming out soon.
The main video is so embarrassing.
Like to see you all in the next video. Bye. And do you think JJ should get thinking cap with that 1-star skill check? That nasty 1-star skill check. Bye y'all. See you on the next video.
Wait,